How to cancel repair version download in Windows 11. Hello friends, you might be downloading repair version of Windows 11 to fix Windows update issues or something else. The repair version is downloaded from Start, Settings, System, Recovery, Fix problems using Windows Update, reinstall now. Okay, Windows 11 25 H2 repair version is downloading. To cancel this downloading, here is a trick. Simply click on Pause Updates, pause for 1 week, then Resume Updates. Click on Resume Updates. The downloading of repair version is cancelled. That's all, friends. Thanks for watching the video.